post-game press conference. Congratulations to the ANU Lady Blue Eagles for beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles 69-47. We have Coach D.A. Olan and Angel Solana. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Ito yung pinakamababa niyong pag-limit sa opponents this season, yung 47 points. So, especially in the second half, 15 points lang yung Ateneo. So, are you satisfied with the way that you performed in the second half after gumalag yung Ateneo in the first half?
So yes, defensively, very happy kami, very satisfied kami with how we defended. Yun lang, medyo minamalas lang kami nung first half. We couldn't shoot those easy baskets. Pero sabi ko, okay lang as long as we're defending that way, okay lang. Papasok din yun eventually. And yun, luckily, during the second half, medyo naka-puntos kami naman while maintaining our defense.
Taking Coach D.A. to Angel, you have 22 points, 11 steals, 9 rebounds, 1 assist, and plus 22. So, yun nga, second half, you're able to step up on the defensive end. So, ito ba yung hinahanap natin sa ANU na siyempre, yun nga, aside from being, although yung nagka-problema kayo sa offense kanina, yung depensa niyo gumana kung second half?
Lagi lang sinasabi sa amin ng coaches, lalo nung halftime na ayusin namin yung depensa namin kasi yung depensa namin yung nag-fuel ng offense namin.
Okay, the floor is open for question.
Coach, for the longest time yung ANU program, talagang kumbaga depensa yung tinatry nila yun yung kumbaga key or core talaga ng programa. Would you say na under your watch, under your new head coach this time, ganun pa rin yung chine-chase mo?
Yes. Yun na, yun yung good thing na nangyari sa amin, nagpanalo sa amin for the past few seasons. So it's really just continuing what we're good at, which is yun nga, yung depensa namin.
Angel, how satisfied ka lang dun sa depensa nyo kay Casey nung second half, limited her to 2 points after 16 points in the first half?
I'm very happy. I would like also to commend my bigs, si Ann, si Sam. Nagtutulungan lang kami kasi ang gulang niya kasi spin. Kaya lagi lang namin inaabangan yung and yun, nasa-stop namin siya.
Hindi may konting hinayang pa, 1 rebound short sa triple-double. Nakuha mo yung steals 11, pero rebound siya.
Wala naman, kasi naglaro lang talaga kami and happy lang ako na rumuratate yung bola. Ngayon, napapasahan lang din ako. So yeah, wala naman sa akin yung stats. Bonus na lang.
Coach, are you satisfied? Kasi first round nyo sa Ateneo, very close in this time around. Oh, but yeah, still close to first half and second half. Different story. So, how happy are you na yung na-sweep nyo yung Ateneo yung elimination round head-to-head nyo this season?
So, sabi ko nga sa kanila, malaking bagay yon na we win against Ateneo this early because we know na sila yung kadikit namin on the standings. So, it's really a crucial game for us. So, we also got lucky na wala si Sarah Macanjula for today's game. I know, pag naglaro siya, it's gonna be a lot tougher for us. But, again, we prepared the game plan with her playing. Yun. Swerte lang kami na wala siya today. So, pero I reminded the players na kahit wala si Sarah Macanjula, doesn't mean that it's gonna be easier. It could be a good development for them. So we didn't relax even though wala siya. So again, happy kami na nanalo kami ng 2 against Ateneo.
Angel, last season, mythical team. Ngayon, after the first round, si Tin tsaka si Ann nandun sa top 5 rin ng MVP race. Happy ka, ano yung masabi mo doon? Inspired ka bang umabot ulit doon?
Happy ako na syempre maraming nasa National University sa MVP race. Ito kasi ka sa top 10. Wala naman akong planong humabot. Genuinely happy for my teammates.
Congratulations, Coach.
Thank you.